Alright, so we are on to part 2 of experiment 6, which is the synthesis of potassium alum. I'm sorry about that, I accidentally ended the last video. So after you finish the experiment, you would then take the mass of the filter paper and alum and you subtract it by the filter paper to get our actual mass of alum. So you would put that over our theoretical mass, and the way you get the theoretical mass is you would take our starting mass of aluminum, which would be 0.5 grams. You then put that over the atomic weight of aluminum, which is 27 grams, and that would give you 1 mole of aluminum. You would then look or refer to the beginning of the experiment where the balanced equation showed that in 2 moles of potassium alum, there were 2 moles of aluminum, which gives us our mole-to-mole ratio. Following that, you would then take 1 mole of potassium alum and put that under 2 moles of potassium alum to cancel them out, and in 1 mole of potassium alum, you get 474.46 grams. After adding and multiplying the top row and dividing it by the bottom, you would then get the theoretical yield of 8.79 grams. So after you take our actual yield, which would be 10.74, you put that over the theoretical, and in this case, we got 122.18%. Normally, it shouldn't be over 100%, but it is possible. But in this experiment, I feel as if something happened along the ways of washing or adding water to our filtration system or the filter paper. So in detail, I'd say that we used too much 50% ethanol by water mixture, and we didn't let it dry for long enough, or the filtration paper was still damp at the time of measuring it. There's a bunch of different reasons that could have came to that outcome, but that might be the best or the most reasonable. But yeah. Oh, and one more thing. So for the purification, the crystals were purified by recrystallization. This is one thing I wanted to address other than these two down here. Recrystallization is caused by isolating and purifying a solid by causing it to precipitate slowly from solution. So basically what that means is after we use the vacuum system and we put it on ice, the ice right here would, yeah, see, look at that, it's starting to form the crystals, but the ice right here, when cooling, would form purified crystals which can be collected and formed. And yeah, that should be it. Thank you. Hopefully I was a little bit more creative with this experiment. I know I've been lacking. It's partially my fault, but, well, it is my fault, but I'm on it now. Thank you and have a good night.